Here I'm replacing a screw with a partially stripped head, but the new screw has a flange and the old one doesn't. You can see a little flange on the tip there. And this guy does not, and that's a problem. I got this particular one because it matched the thread pitch on the other ones. They had another one that didn't have a flange, but it had a larger thread pitch, so I was worried it wouldn't fit. Since the flange on the new screw interfered with the mating part, I had to remove the flange. Alright, so to clearance this guy, first thing I did was I put a zip tie on my drill bit so that I can kind of slide it up and use that power of the drill bit. So that's pretty cool. And then I got my screws here, so I'm going to go ahead and screw that guy in. Now I got it tightened on there, I'll take this guy out, and I'll slide my zip tie up here. And I'll put this guy in here, but not too hard. If you over tighten the vise, it will definitely break your drill, so be gentle. You really don't need very much, very tight on there. On off this thing. Install, uninstall. When I was grinding, I didn't notice that the screw was sliding down the chuck, so watch out for that when you're doing this. That's not quite what I had in mind. It's a good idea to space this out a little bit far off of your from your chuck here. That way you don't actually grind your chuck like I just did. You can see that the flange is pretty well ground off, pretty centered. Now this head fits in the counterbore hole. There's actually already a screw in there. It's just for demonstration. If you want to see more short automotive tech videos, check out my 5-minute tech playlist. And if you like this video and want to see content from me, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.